Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then in the trachoma, there are two important pictures. So this in the trachoma, there is herbert pits are seen. What are these herbert pits? The actually around the follicles we see presence of herbert follicles are seen at the limbus. Sometimes these herbert follicles will undergo cicatrization, causing herbert pits. So these are the herbert pits. Then we also have pannus. Pannus is actually infiltration of blood vessels is called as, or vascularization is called as pannus. So if you see here, the blood vessels or vascularization is seen, which is called as pannus, which is seen in uh, trachoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.